I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Det 30 mask review. Guys, this video will help you know whether the product I'm talking about is a legit one or a scam. If you haven't purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy this product or not. Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud with this product, watch this video till end, as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But guys, before I share the money back way, let's find out some essential details about the product. Guys, here you can see this is the picture of the product. It's a Det 30 mask. Guys, this is a cotton mask. You get a 2-piece pack when you order this mask. This mask comes with a special offer, free shipping to Singapore and Malaysia on orders over 100 HKD. Moving further, guys, I will tell you all the details about this mask and why this mask is different from other masks, along with the legitimacy checkpoints. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, guys, here you can see this mask is available in 3 different colors, including blue, black and white. The Det 30 is a general purpose. It's a reusable cotton mask for your daily use. Like guys, if you are facing any breathing issues because of that common ordinary mask, you can use this reusable 100% cotton mask. This mask is made with antibacterial treated fabric, which creates a barrier to obstruct the droplets, and it has a high degree of breathability and comfort. It is especially designed for those people who face problem while wearing any ordinary mask. It has 3 layers with a front pleat design that is to cover your nose and chin, and a nose wire to create a close fit. Guys, here in the picture, that this mask comes with this wire, this bead which you can adjust according to your own size, and it will easily, comfortably, it will stick to your face, nose and chin. Moving further, it is not a substitute for medical or any surgical mask or a respirator. It is just a general purpose mask which you should buy if you want any mask for your daily use. It is not suitable if you are sick or when you require any clinical settings or you are having any risk or infection. Guys, make sure that you have a complete hygiene measures and refer to your local health authorities for more information regarding the usage of common ordinary mask, general purpose mask or any other surgical mask. Moving further, guys, this product, they have already mentioned that is not suitable for children under the age of 3 years. Make sure you don't get this product for your children. Guys, you can also order this product in bulk or for shipment beyond the service area of the website, and for that you need to inquire at the given email address. Also guys, one important information they have already mentioned here in the website in which they are selling this product, that this product is a non-returnable item. So make sure guys, if you are not happy with the product, you cannot return it. Moving further, guys, if I talk about the customer reviews on the product, well guys, 4.3 rating has been given by Amazon.com to this product Det 30 mask. All the customers have shared their positive reviews about the product and they are happy with the material this product is made up of. So guys, overall this is a legit product. This product is also available on Amazon and many other websites. Well, also I found some other positive reviews about the website on many authentic and reliable websites, so I give this product a thumbs up. This is a legit product, guys. You can give this product a trial if you are looking for a general purpose mask. Well, now if you want to know that money back option, guys, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. Please view the link properly, comment your thoughts over the video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.